Okay, sorry for the disturbance. In continuation of IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols. Okay, here I am taking different molecules. First one CH3OH. Okay, second one CH3CH2OH. Okay, third one CH3CH2CH2OH. Okay, fourth one CH3. Okay, here CHOH CH3. CH3. Okay, here CH2 double bond CHOH. Here CH2 double bond CH2OH. Okay, here I am taking CH3 CH2OH. Okay, here benzene with OH group. These are the different molecules. Along with that, in continuation, I will give some more molecules. Okay, the common name, here I am writing common name of this one. Common name, along with that IUPAC name. Common name and IUPAC name. Okay, common name of this group is, how we write the common name? First we write the alkyl group, then we call alcohol. Okay, it contains methyl group. So, common name of this molecule is methyl alcohol. Common name of that molecule is methyl alcohol. IUPAC name is, how many carbons are there here? One carbon. So, methanol. Methanol. The IUPAC name of that molecule is methanol. Okay, here the common name of this molecule, this group we called as ethyl group. So we called ethyl alcohol. The IUPAC name of this molecule is ethane plus ol, ethanol. The IUPAC name of that molecule is ethanol. The common name of this one, this group is propyl group. Okay, common name of this one is propyl alcohol. The IUPAC name of this molecule is propanol. The IUPAC name of this molecule is propanol. Okay, here this is isopropyl group. So we called, this is the isopropyl group. Okay, here isopropyl group. This we called as isopropyl alcohol. IUPAC name of this molecule is, give the number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, second position, OH group is there. So we called 2-propanol. IUPAC name of that molecule is 2-propanol. Okay, this is vinyl group. Vinyl group attached to the OH. This we called vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol. Okay, the IUPAC name of this one is ethanol. Ethanol. The IUPAC name of that particular molecule is ethanol. Okay, here this is the allyl group. CH2 double bond CH2 group we called as allyl group. The common name of this molecule is allyl alcohol. The IUPAC name is prop. Double bond is there, so ene and ol. One propene ol. Sorry, not one propene. Give the name, but 1, 2, 3. 2-propanol. 2-propanol. And here we have the one more molecule. This is a different molecule. CH2. Here C is there, CH3 is there. Okay, second position. 2 methyl groups are there. 2, 2 dimethyl. 3 carbon atoms are there, propanol. Okay, 2, 2 dimethyl propanol. The common name of this one is, okay, phenol. Common and IUPAC name of this molecule is phenol. Okay, phenol also one of the IUPAC acceptable word. Okay, then in continuation we will see the some more molecules. We'll see the some more molecules. Okay, here I am taking CH2OH, CH2OH. Okay, here CH2OH, CH2OH, CH2OH. Okay, here I am taking one more OH, OH. Here OH, here OH, here OH, here OH. These are the different molecules. If two OH groups are present on, say, adjacent carbon atom, we called glycol. The common name of this molecule is ethylene glycol. The common name of this molecule is ethylene glycol. Okay, the IUPAC name of this molecule, it contains two carbon atoms, right? Ethane diol. Ethane diol. The IUPAC name of that molecule is ethane diol. And here, okay, here this we called as glycerol. Okay, here this is called as glycerol. Here three carbon atoms are there, three OH groups are present on continuous carbon atoms. We called as glycerol. Okay, the IUPAC name of this molecule is 1, 2, 3 propane triol. Propane triol. 1, 2, 3 propane triol. This is the common name and IUPAC name of this molecule. Okay, here then common name of this one, benzene with two OH groups, we called as catechol. Okay, the common name of this molecule is catechol. The common name of this molecule is resorcinol. The common name of this molecule is phenol. Okay, here this is called 1,2. Okay, 1,2 benzene diol or 2-hydroxyphenol. 2-hydroxyphenol or 1,2 dihydroxybenzene. 1,2 dihydroxybenzene. Here I am writing only 1,3 dihydroxybenzene. Okay, here 1,4 dihydroxybenzene. 1,4 dihydroxybenzene. Okay, this is the IUPAC nomenclature of different alcohols. IUPAC nomenclature of different alcohols. Okay, in continuation, we will see the preparation of alcohol. First, we will see the 1 or 2 preparations of alcohol. Then we will move into the preparations of glycol, glycerol. Okay, different chemical reactions are there. We will see in continuation those reactions. Okay, next. Continuation, preparation of alcohols. Preparation of alcohols. By using different methods, we will prepare the alcohol. So many methods are there for the preparation of the alcohol. Okay, here first method is from alkyl halides. From alkyl halides. Can you take primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide gives concerned alcohol. Primary alkyl halide gives primary alcohol, secondary alkyl halide gives secondary alcohol, tertiary alkyl halide gives tertiary alcohols. Tertiary alcohols by the reaction with water. Here I am taking first general reaction. RX reacts with the water. Okay, just heat. Okay, our RX reacts with the potassium hydroxide, aqueous potassium hydroxide. Just heat. It loses, okay, KCl, KX molecule. Here it loses HX. Here it loses HX. Here it loses KX. Here it forms alcohols. Here also forms alcohols. Okay, I am writing both are same. Okay, here Kx, here Hx. Only that only release. Remaining as usual. Okay, here I am taking one simple molecule, ethyl chloride. Okay, ethyl chloride. This is the ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. Okay, here ethyl chloride reacts with potassium hydroxide. Aqueous potassium hydroxide. It loses KCl molecule and forms ethyl alcohol. This is the primary alcohol. This is the primary alcohol. Okay. In continuation, I am taking one more molecule. This is isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride reacts with aqueous potassium hydroxide. Okay, it loses KCl molecule and forms CH3, CH, OH, CH3, secondary alcohol, and forms secondary alcohol. Here I am taking one more molecule, tertiary butyl chloride. This is we call it tertiary butyl chloride. Tertiary butyl chloride reacts with aqueous potassium hydroxide. It loses KCl molecule and forms CH3, CH3, OH. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Forms tertiary butyl alcohol. Okay, this is about the preparation of primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. Okay, from alkyl halides. From alkyl halides. Okay, in continuation, we'll see the preparation of primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols from Grignard reagent. From Grignard reagent. This is also one of the important equation. We'll see preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagents. From Grignard reagents. What is the meaning of Grignard reagent? Alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide we call as Grignard reagent. Alkyl magnesium halide is simply called as Grignard reagent. When alkyl magnesium halide reacts with formaldehyde, any Grignard reagent reaction with formaldehyde forms primary alcohol. Or any Grignard reagent reacts with acetaldehyde forms secondary alcohol. Any Grignard reagent reacts with acetone or ketone forms tertiary alcohols. Here see, I am taking Grignard reagent or MgX. It is reacts with formaldehyde. HCHO we called formaldehyde. Okay, in presence of base, here this pi electron transfer towards the oxygen. Okay, here carbon magnesium electron transfer towards the carbon due to the more electronegativity of carbon. Okay, this carbon gets negative charge, magnesium gets positive charge, and here carbon double bond pi electron transfer towards this pi electron transfer towards oxygen. Carbon gets positive charge, oxygen gets negative charge. Here negative reacts with positive, positive reacts with negative, forms an intermediate compound. Forms an intermediate compound. See the intermediate R. I wrote this R. Okay, here it attacks here C, and H here, H here, this H, and O MgX. O MgX. This is the intermediate compound. This intermediate compound reacts with water. That means OMgX bond is there, it will break. Hydrogen will be added here, OH will be added here, and forms RCH2OH. This RCH2OH we call as primary alcohol. RCH2OH we called as primary alcohol. It is we called as primary alcohol. Okay. Next, This is the first equation. Then RNGX, I said RNGX reacts with acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde means CH3 C double bond OH. This we call as acetaldehyde. Okay, in presence of base, what happened? Same. This electron transferred here, it gets positive, it gets negative. This electron transferred towards carbon, here negative, here positive. Okay, what happened? R minus reacts with carbon, Mg reacts with oxygen and forms, here I am writing R first, R, C, downside this CH3 and here H and here OMgX. Here also same, it also reacts with water. Okay, it also reacts with water and forms RCH, OH, CH3. This we called as secondary alcohol. This we called as secondary alcohol. Okay, then in continuation we'll see one more. RMgX reacts with acetone. This we call as acetone. Okay, here bond is there. Here electron transfer towards carbon. Carbon gets negative. Magnesium gets positive. These electron transfer towards oxygen. Oxygen gets negative. Carbon gets positive. Negative reacts with positive. Positive reacts with negative. In the presence of base. What happened? R. Here I am writing first R. Okay, here C, O. This side also I am writing CH3. OMgX. Here also what we have is CH3 here. Okay, when it is reacts with water, okay, we called RCH, or this side CH3, this side CH3, it will break down and forms OH. This we call as tertiary alcohol. Okay, primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. Primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols will are prepared by using this method. Okay, formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent, forms an intermediate. Okay, by hydrolysis it converts into primary alcohol. Okay, acetaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent, forms an intermediate, it converts into secondary alcohol by hydrolysis. Okay, tertiary alcohols are produced by the reaction between Grignard reagent and acetone. First, Grignard reagent reacts with acetone. Grignard reagent reacts with acetone. In the presence of base, forms an intermediate compound. Okay, it converts into tertiary alcohol. This is about the just simple preparation of the alcohols. Tomorrow we'll see preparation of glycols and different topics are there. In continuation, we'll see all those topics. Thank you.